Hey, everyone heard First Day Games. What the heck are they watching? I'll be right back. See you later. Everyone heard of First Day Games.
He's racist.
What you? What the beep?
I'm done.
That's not tasty. Absolutely not. 0 out of 10. What the heck? How did they change the logo? Where's the old logo from 2018 to 2017? Come on, what the heck is that? Oh, hey. You have a Discord? I'll be right back. Okay, what are you?